little avocado and honey mask. It's a total dupe for an expensive moisturizer. No joke. Avocado is loaded with good fats, vitamin C and E. And get this, the C and E combo, okay, it's like a natural like collagen cocktail for your skin. So, translation, firmer skin, a little slowdown on the sagging that we don't love. I do this on the weekly. Here, I take an avocado. I usually cut it in half, make sure it's nice and ripe. I've had these sitting in the window a few days because they were a little hard. There we go. Just like use this natural stuff. This is a tablespoon. Put it on your face. Leave it on your face for 10 or 15 minutes, okay? And then once you're done, here's the thing that I do a little differently. I've got to rinse my hands. Come with me for a second. Here's the thing that I do a little differently. When I'm rinsing my face after the 10 or 15 minutes, I don't want to use tap water because tap water has all kinds of harsh chemicals in it and all that good stuff. So I make sure that I use this thing. And I pour this into a bowl and it just takes the chill off of it. And then, of course, I will put my face cloth in there and gently remove the mask from my face. So once your mask is off, don't waste a second. So get your moisturizer on right away. And if it's daytime, sunscreen always.